weather can't quite decide what it wants to do. It's like very, very lightly sprinkling right now. I think I'm gonna risk it though and go for a little walk. And I will say, Dad, I'm sorry, I'm not wearing the new shoes you sent me. I'm wearing these ones because I might encounter mud. Also, I'm rocking the jorts. Like, the forecast didn't mention any rain today, but it's definitely lightly drizzling. I figured I'd, you know, go out for a quick little walk up the mountain and get some cool drone shots to intro this video, but now I'm not so sure. Because if it starts raining, I'm screwed. Or this camera's screwed, and I don't want to lose this camera. Okay, the downpour is starting to be a little more intense, and that's about as comfortable as I'm gonna head back. Well, it sure is a good thing I started heading home, as it is now downpouring to the point where I don't think I can carry around this non-waterproof equipment. So I guess I'm just gonna like huddle here in this park under the trees and hope that the rain goes away. Ow! Ugh, there are ants on this bench and I just got bit. Ow! Okay, well maybe I won't hide at this bench. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Well, it got worse. I literally just retreated to a public bathroom here, and I'm just kind of hiding out and hoping that the rain dies down soon. I don't know. Sure isn't showing any sign of slowing down, which that's a tongue twister, but also is not good. Okay, well, good news. My grandmother actually just texted me and said, "Hey, Chris, are you in cover?" And I was like, "Well, kinda." So she's gonna come pick me up. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, perfect. Hey, Em. Thank you for rescuing me.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It is a wet, cold, dreary, miserable kind of day. AKA, the perfect day for chicken noodle soup.
Oh, we got too much broth.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna have to switch pans.
Oh man, delicious chicken noodle soup, listening to the audiobook version of, I almost said Guardians of the Galaxy, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. This is a good day. This is a good day. A couple hours, and as you can see, the ground is kind of dried, and I think I'm going to try this again. I'm gonna risk going up on the mountain yet again, because darn it, I missed the frickin' view. Today is daylight savings time, or did daylight savings time end? I don't know, one of those. And I honestly could not be happier. I love actually having an afternoon and an evening as opposed to it getting dark at 3 p.m. Because literally right after lunch, I laid down for a nap and woke up at 4 p.m. And my first thought was, oh no, I've missed out on the day. And then I checked outside and it was like this. Whoa! My hair's a mess. I need to keep my helmet on. But yeah, really a fan. Really excited. This is totally impromptu and not planned at all, but I cannot figure out a good way to end today's vlog. Is there anything you want to remind the viewer to do?
Stay positive?
Hey!
Is that it?
That was perfect. Sorry for kind of springing this on you. I legitimately couldn't figure out a way to end it.
I'm glad I didn't have a mouthful of food. I was just making a...
This is me.